Want steady income and long-term growth from your investments? In this video, we will reveal the top 5 high-paying dividend stocks to buy and hold in 2025. These picks offer strong returns, solid fundamentals, and reliable payouts. Like this video and subscribe for smart investing ideas that help your money work harder. 1. Johnson & Johnson for long-term dividend stability and global presence. This healthcare leader offers consistent dividends backed by strong cash flow and market diversity. Its global presence and reliable pharmaceutical earnings supports steady payments through downturns. The company has increased dividends yearly for decades with no signs of slowing that trend soon. In uncertain markets, medical product demand remains stable, providing resilient income for investors. It is considered one of the safest blue-chip dividend stocks in defensive sectors globally today. Investors seeking reliability will find Johnson & Johnson a proven income compounder for decades. Its research pipeline and expanding healthcare needs offer long-term upside with reduced volatility. 2. Procter & Gamble for consumer staple strength and dividend longevity. Procter & Gamble delivers products used daily, making its income stable even during weak economies. With over 60 years of dividend increases, this stock earns elite status among income investors. It sells essentials like hygiene, home and beauty goods, which remain in demand regardless of trends. This consistency makes it ideal for retirees or income-focused buyers seeking predictable growth. Procter & Gamble maintains pricing power, strong margins, and deep brand loyalty across generations. Its slow but steady price appreciation adds to the total return alongside dividend strength each year. This stock supports conservative strategies and withstands inflation better than many growth picks. 3. Coca-Cola for iconic brand power and global dividend leadership. Coca-Cola is a beverage giant with a century of global brand loyalty and steady dividend history. It offers high yield with dependable payments that are supported by wide distribution and demand. The company reinvests smartly while returning capital to shareholders through dividends consistently. It continues to expand into health drinks, teas, and energy products while protecting core soda lines. This strategy sustains revenue while adapting to changing consumer preferences across the world. The stock remains attractive for income investors seeking global exposure with brand protection. Its dividend track record and recession resistance make it a trusted pick in all market climates. 4. Realty Income Corporation for monthly payouts and real estate diversification. Realty Income is a real estate investment trust that pays monthly dividends with proven growth. Its commercial property portfolio includes major retail, healthcare, and industrial tenant clients. This diversity reduces risk and supports reliable cash flows across economic ups and downs yearly. Its monthly payouts are rare and appreciated by income-focused investors seeking consistent yield. With a track record of increasing dividends and strategic acquisitions, its growth remains steady. The trust benefits from long-term lease agreements and triple net contracts with stable tenants. Realty Income remains a top choice for dividend seekers who value real estate diversification. It offers dependable income monthly with inflation-protected upside in 2025 markets. 5. ExxonMobil for energy income and shareholder return focus. ExxonMobil offers one of the highest yields among blue-chip stocks with strong global energy demand. The oil giant has increased its dividend for over 40 years through major economic fluctuations. Its capital discipline and cost efficiency allow it to reward investors even during oil price drops. Energy remains essential, and Exxon's scale secures upstream profits and downstream stability daily. It also invests in carbon capture and future fuels, giving long-term potential beyond fossil growth. This makes it attractive for dividend hunters who want yield plus industry leadership and adaptation. Exxon is favored by value investors and income-focused buyers seeking energy exposure with growth. 6. PepsiCo for balanced growth and reliable shareholder income. PepsiCo offers a balanced mix of snacks and beverages supported by global demand and brand power. It delivers strong dividends along with moderate stock growth for total return potential annually. With over 50 years of dividend increases, it remains a trusted source of rising income streams. Its portfolio diversity protects earnings across business cycles, supporting long-term income stability. PepsiCo invests in innovation and emerging markets to sustain growth and market leadership globally. It continues to attract investors who want steady income and predictable corporate performance. The company adapts quickly to changing tastes without sacrificing its dividend commitments. PepsiCo's combination of resilience and payout growth makes it ideal for 2025 buyers. 7. AbbVie for healthcare dividends and expanding product pipeline. AbbVie has become a dividend powerhouse in the healthcare space with strong earnings and innovation. It offers a generous dividend backed by blockbuster drugs and a well-funded product pipeline ahead. Following its acquisition of Allergan, the company broadened its therapeutic reach and earnings power. AbbVie increases payouts regularly and supports them with consistent cash generation and margins. Its focus on immunology, oncology, and neuroscience positions it for sustained future dividend growth. Long-term holders benefit from income and exposure to critical healthcare trends and solutions. Despite short-term patent concerns, AbbVie manages risk well and reinvests wisely for the future. It is an excellent dividend growth pick for healthcare-focused portfolios in 2025. 8. Verizon Communications for high-yield and defensive sector exposure. Verizon provides one of the highest yields in the telecom sector with recurring revenue and cash flow. It operates in a stable industry that supports predictable income for conservative dividend investors. The company continues to invest in network upgrades while protecting its commitment to shareholders. Its wireless infrastructure provides reliable revenue streams even during economic slowdowns globally. Though growth is slow, Verizon's dividend remains secure and attractive for yield-driven strategies. Telecom needs will remain strong, and Verizon's reach ensures steady income across user demographics. This makes it a solid option for income investors seeking safety over short-term capital appreciation. 9. Chevron Corporation for strong dividend yield and global energy reach. Chevron stands alongside Exxon as a top energy dividend stock with steady income and global scale. Its disciplined capital approach and diverse assets ensure consistent returns in shifting markets. Chevron maintains strong payout ratios and has raised dividends through multiple energy cycles. Its operations span upstream and downstream sectors, providing stability and flexibility in pricing. The company invests in lower carbon solutions while delivering shareholder value in the near term. Chevron's yield is high and backed by balance sheet strength and strategic expansion plans. It remains a go-to-energy stock for those focused on dividends and long-term value protection. 10. Microsoft Corporation for low yield but high dividend growth potential. Microsoft offers modest dividends with high growth, making it ideal for long-term compounding income. It has raised dividends steadily for years with ample room to increase payouts as earnings grow. Its cloud and software dominance ensure continued revenue growth to fund future dividend expansion. Microsoft's balance sheet strength and strong margins make its dividends safe and scalable annually. Tech investors often overlook yield, but Microsoft proves growth and income can work hand in hand. This stock suits buyers seeking rising payouts rather than just high current yields right now. In 2025, Microsoft remains a dividend growth engine in the tech space for patient holders. It is a future-forward choice that turns small dividends into major income over a longer timeline. These dividend stocks are built for income, growth, and peace of mind. If you found this list helpful for your 2025 investing plan, leave a like and subscribe for more financial tips and stock insights. Got a dividend favorite or question? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching and keep building your wealth with smart, steady moves.